Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on the left front for a 2003 to 2006 Subaru Outlander. Changing the window regulator. So we've got a little tiny cover on the left-hand side there where I was just now. I took it off with a knife, and then a cover right there. There's a couple screws behind that and that. Screw there, screw there, screw there in the pull. And that was kind of rusted in. Now on this, push up and down. On the bottom one, push it down to pull it out. And the top one, push it up a little bit, just a little bit. These things crack quite easily. They're old, they're plastic, they're very fragile. I don't think there were any other screws, if I'm not mistaken. Panel pulls right out. This one's quite easy to do. There's really no magic formula here. If this is beneficial for you, do me a favor, like, L-I-K-E, like the video. That'll help other people such as yourself find it on YouTube when they're looking for it. Taking off the moisture barrier. I don't know if I took it off or just lowered it. Yeah, I don't think I took this one off all the way. It was, again, this is as easy as it gets. I wanted to pull the window down a little bit. His problem was the motor was stopping on him. So you change the motor and the regulator together on this. Little WD-40 on the channels, on the side, the up and down channels, the run channels that go up and down on the left and right. Lightly, just give it a little bit. They dry out and cause the glass to grab. 10mm bolts. Let's put that up. Grab our $2.99 Harbor Freight suction cup. Harbor Freight, great company, love them for a number of reasons. They've got everything you need, they're inexpensive, and they were very community focused during the pandemic. So I give them a lot of credit. You've got 7 10mm bolts, 3 to hold the motor in, 4 to hold the regulator in. Out it comes. Let's grab the new one. If you're in Tampa Bay or Sarasota and you'd like me to come do this for you, call me. Glad to help you out. It's under Power Up Auto. If you have any questions, go ahead, ask right here on YouTube. I'll get back to you within a day or so. Remember, if the video was helpful, go ahead and like the video. Thank you. I'm going to grab the door panel so I can put the bracket that attaches to the glass up or down enough to get access to it. You can see the access hole right there. Let's lower the glass. You don't want to over tighten these. Just a little WD-40 inside as well. And that should be good. So the rest of it you can watch at your leisure. None of this was that complicated or confusing. And I thank you for watching. Have a great week.